In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment details to your Gumroad account, and we'll get this done in just about 5 minutes. This is a vital step if you're planning to sell your products through Gumroad, or if you simply want to ensure your payments are processed smoothly. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to the Gumroad website. You can do this by opening your browser and typing in gumroad.com, then hitting enter. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with Gumroad's homepage, which is your starting point for anything you want to do on this platform. Next, let's log into your account. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see a button labeled Log In. Go ahead and click that. You'll be directed to the login page, where you have a couple of options for signing in. For most people, the easiest and quickest method is to click on Sign In with Google. This will prompt you to select the appropriate Google account you wish to use with Gumroad. If you have multiple Google accounts, just ensure you pick the right one that's linked to your Gumroad account. Once you're logged in, it's time to access your account settings. Look towards the top of the page again, where you'll find a button labeled Settings. Click on this to enter the settings menu, where various configurations for your account are located. Now that you're in the settings section, the next step is to locate the Payments option. You should see a tab labeled Payments here. Clicking on this tab will bring up the options for setting up or modifying your payment methods. This is where you make sure that your account is set up to receive payments seamlessly. You will be presented with a choice between two payment methods, bank account or PayPal. Think about which option is best suited for your needs. Many people prefer using PayPal due to its convenience and widespread acceptance, but you might prefer direct bank transfers for personal or business reasons. Choose the method that aligns with your preference and comfort level. Once you've chosen your preferred method, select PayPal if that's the method you want to use. This will redirect you to a new page where you'll need to log into your PayPal account to complete the linking process. Make sure that the details you enter are accurate. This ensures that your payments are processed without any issues, minimizing potential delays or errors. After successfully connecting your PayPal account, you'll be ready to start receiving payments. By completing these steps, you've set yourself up to handle transactions smoothly and efficiently, so you can focus more on creating and selling amazing products on Gumroad. And there you have it, you've successfully added payment details to your Gumroad account. With everything set up, you're now ready to dive into your sales and make the most of what Gumroad has to offer. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy selling.